Hey guys, installing custom nodes is a great way to get features that may not be available in ComfyUI. In this video, let's see how to install custom node packs in both the portable and desktop versions of ComfyUI. Also, this video is for Windows users, so let's get started. There are two main methods to install custom node packs in ComfyUI, using ComfyUI Manager or installing custom node packs manually. In this video, we will see how to do both. First, let's focus on the portable version of ComfyUI and see how to install custom nodes using ComfyUI Manager. If you don't have ComfyUI Manager installed yet, let's look at how to add it to the portable ComfyUI. First, we need to run a command inside the ComfyUI folder that installs several requirements needed for the ComfyUI Manager. So this is the command we are going to run. To do that, let's open the portable ComfyUI folder. In my case, it's in the Downloads folder. From here, let's open the terminal. Right-click and select Open in Terminal. You can also use PowerShell for this. Next, let's paste the command, which starts with a // and ends with requirements.txt. Now, let's press Enter. It's finished. Let's close the terminal. Now we are going to add the ComfyUI Manager flag in the ComfyUI Launcher file. So let's right-click on this bat file named Run NVIDIA GPU and open it in Notepad. After the last flag in my case, it is --Windows-standalone-build, put a space and type --enable-manager. Then save the file. Now, let's launch the ComfyUI launcher. If the ComfyUI Manager is enabled properly, you will see some messages in the terminal window related to the ComfyUI Manager. Here we go. ComfyUI is ready. If the ComfyUI Manager was enabled successfully, you will see a button called Extensions at the top right corner. It is ready to open, so let's click on it. Now, the ComfyUI Manager window has come up. From here, we can start installing any custom node packs we want. For example, if I want to install ComfyUI KJNodes, all I have to do is click on the Install button and wait for a while. Otherwise, if I want to install rgthree-comfy, I just click on this Install button. Let's install it by clicking on it. Once the installation is completed, let's click on Apply Changes. The custom node pack has now been installed successfully, and we are ready to use the nodes that come with the rg3 custom node pack. Let's double-click and search for nodes that come with rg3-comfy, for example, Image Comparer. Here it is. Let's click on it. Now you can see that the node is working. Just like that, you can install a lot of custom node packs from ComfyUI Manager. There is also a search button for finding other available custom node packs. Now, if I want to uninstall custom packs, I just click on the All Installed button, and it will show the installed custom node packs. If I want to uninstall rg3-comfy, let's select that custom node pack. Then, click on the Uninstall button showing on the right. There is also a Disable option. If you just want to disable a custom node pack instead of uninstalling it, use this button shown here. Now we have an idea about how to install custom node packs using ComfyUI Manager. Let's take a look at installing custom node packs manually. When installing custom node packs manually, there are three main steps. First, find the custom node packs repos. You can easily find a lot of them in GitHub. Once you find a repository, make sure to read the whole page. This helps you see how the developer recommends installing their specific custom node pack. Most of the time, developers provide this installation information. For example, I have a link to a custom node pack repo called ComfyUI ControlNet Aux. Let's open that link in the browser. Here we go. The page has loaded. If I scroll down, I can find information about installing this custom node pack. If you know how to use the command line or terminal, this is an easy task. Even if you don't know, it is worth learning the terminal or command line. The next step is to clone this repo into our portable ComfyUI custom nodes folder. This is easy, but we need Git installed on our computer first. If you don't have Git, the download link is available in the description. So let's clone this repo. Let's copy the link of this repo and then go to the custom node folder of portable ComfyUI. In here, let's open the terminal. You can also use PowerShell. Now let's type git clone, paste the link of the repo we just copied, and then press Enter. Here we go. The repo is now cloned. A new folder will be created in our current working directory. In my case, it is named ComfyUI_ControlNet_aux. We can also type ls to see the available folders. So here is our custom node pack folder. Now we need to enter into that folder. Let's type cd, then the folder name, in my case, ComfyUI_controlnet_aux, and press enter. Also, let's clear the window. Next is to install the requirements needed for the custom node pack. Most node packs need some dependencies to work properly, so every custom node pack folder contains a file called requirements.txt. We need to install the requirements mentioned in that file. For that, we have to run a command. This is the command that you can run to install the requirements. I am using a relative path at the start to run Python. You can also use an absolute path, but if you have not modified the ComfyUI folder structure, this command will work most of the time. So let's copy the command, paste it inside the terminal, and then press enter. Once it's finished, let's close the terminal. Now we are ready, so let's restart ComfyUI. Make sure your ComfyUI workflows are saved. Now, let's open the terminal running ComfyUI and press Ctrl+C, then type Y and press enter. If it did not close, just press Ctrl+C again. Now ComfyUI is closed. Let's close the browser as well. Then go back to the main folder of Portable ComfyUI and run the launcher. So here is ComfyUI. Now, let's double-click and search for a node from the custom node pack we just installed. For example, AIO aux preprocessor. Here it is. Let's click on it. As you can see, the node pack installed perfectly. Also, in some of my videos, the node graph may look different. That is because I am using Nodes 2.0, which can be enabled from the menu bar. Just click on Nodes 2.0 and here we go, the UI changes. Now we know how to install custom node packs in the portable version. If we want to uninstall a custom node pack that we installed manually, we just delete the repo we cloned into the custom nodes folder. Let's look at an example. Let's open the custom nodes folder of ComfyUI. Here is the custom node pack we just installed. So select the folder and use the delete button. Then restart the ComfyUI to see the changes. From my experience, only delete the custom node pack folder. Do not try to delete the requirements we installed along with it, as there is a chance it can break ComfyUI. Now, let's close the folder and portable ComfyUI and look at the desktop version. The desktop version of ComfyUI already comes with ComfyUI Manager, so you don't need to install it manually. Let's launch desktop ComfyUI and see how to use it. Here we can see the extensions button. Let's click on it. Now we can start installing custom node packs. The ComfyUI Manager here is very similar to the one in the portable version, so let's skip the things we already know. What about installing custom node packs manually in the desktop version? It's pretty simple, just like how we did it in the portable version. We will clone the custom node packs repo into the custom nodes folder. For example, I want to install a custom node pack called ComfyUI prompt relay, so I will use this command. Let's copy the command, then switch to the ComfyUI Desktop and click on the toggle bottom panel. Then click on the terminal. First, we need to enter the custom nodes folder. Let's type ls and press enter to see our current directory. As you can see here, the custom nodes folder is available in the current working directory, so let's type cd custom_nodes and press enter to open the folder. Now, let's clear the window. Next, we run the git clone command with the link to the custom node pack repo. I already copied it, so let's paste it and press enter. The cloning has finished, and a new folder is created in our directory. In my case, it's ComfyUI prompt relay. Also, we can use ls command to see the current directory. Let's copy that folder name. To enter it, type cd, paste the folder name, and press enter. Now we are ready to install the requirements. Let's run pip install requirements.txt and press enter. Okay, I made a small mistake. The terminal is asking if I meant -r requirements.txt. So yes, let's press enter. Remember, don't forget to put -r in front of requirements.txt. Now the custom node pack and requirements is installed, but we can't find the nodes yet. We need to restart ComfyUI, so let's close it and launch it again. Here we go, ComfyUI is ready. Let's double-click and search for prompt relay. Here you can find the nodes that come with ComfyUI prompt relay. Now, what if I want to uninstall the custom node pack? It's easy. Open the terminal panel again. First, clear the window, then type cd custom_nodes and press enter. we can use the ls command to see the available packs. In my case, it's just ComfyUI prompt relay. Let's copy the folder name, type remove-item, paste the folder name, and type -recurse-force. Press enter. Okay, let's run the ls command to see if it is gone. And yes, it's done. As I said before, don't try to remove the requirements installed along with the packs, as that might break your ComfyUI. Here are some extra tips. Don't rely too much on custom node packs. Over the years, ComfyUI has added a lot of features that make certain custom nodes obsolete. Also, installing a pack that hasn't been updated in a while is slightly risky, as they might depend on older dependencies. If you know Python, you can develop your own custom node packs and publish them on GitHub or modify existing ones. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.